Hi friends, this is Peter. Today we are going to see about the Astha trading platform. Astha trading platform has come up with a beautiful feature of trading view chart. Earlier they did not had a trading view chart in the mobile trading platform and the web trading platform also. But now they have updated with trading view chart in the both the platform. Now we are going to see in the only the mobile trading platform. Later on, if required, if people ask to do a video on the web trading platform, I will try to share that also. So almost all the broker like Angel, Fyers, Zerodha, all the broker has the trading view chart, but Astha did not had that. What is the benefit of using the trading view chart? Only the technical analysis. Those who know to do a technical analysis, they generally do with the trading view chart only. So technical analysis we could not do in the Astha, because after doing the technical analysis, everything analysis on the chart, and then directly we can buy from the chart itself. But Astha did not had that. Now they have come up with that feature. Right, before starting this video, we are planning to do a coding on the algo trading in angel broking, because angel broking provides the algo trading platform for free of course to all their client. Other than like Fyers maybe and even Zerodha, they charge for monthly some charges, but Angel do not charge anything for that. They give free of cost on algo trading platform. So algo trading platform they give, but coding everything we need to do it up. So we are doing the coding of many strategies. Already we are in the verge of making a strategy coding. So people, those who have angel broking account, they can use those algo. What is algo? Algo is nothing but it is a robotic trading system. A lot of institutional players do that. There, what is the benefit of it? There you will not have any emotion, you will not have any greed, you will not have any fear on it, because everything will be taken care by the algo. We need to do a coding on the strategy, so that will take care of all the trades. That we are already in the verge of doing a coding. So we'll try to share those strategies to the angel broking account, those who are holding the account, for those client. Those who don't have the account, they can open your account. I will leave the link on the description box. Just click on it and open your account. Even we will share the investing plans, financial advising and calls also. So if you don't have account, you can open your account where I have shared my link. Right, we'll start the video now. You just click on this flow app. Right, the platform will look like this. This is new interface, totally new interface. Okay, earlier I have made a video, it was totally different. Now it is a totally different interface. Okay, you can see in the top here Nifty, here Banknifty, and here name. If you click on the name, you can see add fund, withdraw fund. Okay, all this thing you can see. And doc, what is doc? You can see a report of your profit and loss, analytic, everything you can see. These things I am not going to explain because video will go lengthier, so I'll drop. If anybody need all these things, how to see their profit and loss, what is the brokerage, you can just comment me on the comment section. We'll try to share that. Okay, right, what is the fund holding in the equity, derivatives and commodity, all this thing will show up here. Right, and here you can see all watch list, option, all watch list. What is that? In the below that you can see option. I have created this and default, and here you can see a scanner. If you click on the scanner, you can see here Nifty 50, it is showing the Nifty 50. Okay, all the above stocks are Nifty 50 stocks. Nifty 50 stocks, top gainer, top loser, 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low, and volume toppers. Okay, if you want to see sector wise, if you want to see on sector wise, so Nifty bank, commodity, consumption and energy, financial, FMCG sector. So all this sector wise you can see FMCG sector, you can see all these are top gainer and this is top loser. This scanner is given here. Okay, right, and the watch list, I'm going to watch list. You can see a option which I have created, and the default is default watch list, which has when you open this. Right, In here you can see a 3 dotted one. Just you have to click on it to create a watch list. If you click on the new watch list, just click, I am naming it as a stocks. Okay, I have created a stocks watch list here. You can see new watch list has been added here, right? Now if you want to add a stocks, just click on the add stocks, and I am just clicking ITC, right? You can see ITC showing here. Just click on the plus button. Okay, it has done. It has been added, right? If you don't want this watch list, how to delete that? Just click on the 3 dotted one on the right side, and you can see manage all watch list. Click on it, and just if you want to delete. Okay, it is done, right? Now it is done. Now home, what is there in the home button? In the left corner you can see home button. Click on it, and you can see here this indices like Nifty and Banknifty will always be there. Okay, and in the below you can see the fund, what is fund available, and which are the new upcoming IPOs will show up here, and top gainer, top loser will show up here, most active stocks, and the news. This thing you can see in the home. And watch list, if you click on the watch list, already we have explained in it. And search, if you want to add some stocks or options or future, just type on the search and you can add. And here trending sector, that is all the sector wise detail will show. If you click on the finance sector, all finance sector stock will show up here. Okay, if finance sector stocks all are almost positive, then that sector normally today is trading positive, that you can assume that. Okay, right? This sector wise detail you can see here, and trending stocks you can see here, right? Orders, we'll go to orders. What is orders? Open order, whatever open order, now live trading, you have open order, you have not exited. Whatever orders for intraday, it will show up here. Closed order, how many trade you have made, all the closed order will show up here. And GTT order, if you have GTT order, it will show up here. Okay, position, what is position? It is showing 0 position. I don't have any position. Holdings, what is holdings? I don't have any holdings right now. Okay, this is the holding, you can see here. Okay, right, now we'll go to the chart, how the chart looks up. Okay, if you want to see the Banknifty chart, just click on the Banknifty top side, you can see here, click on the Banknifty, and the chart will get open, right? This is a beautiful chart, you can do analysis on it. Very nice trading view chart. Almost all technical analysts do a analysis on this, right? The trading view chart, it looks like this. And if you want to do analysis, drawing tools, in the left side you can see a small blue arrow mark. Just click on it, the drawing tool will come up here. You can do whatever drawing tools you want, you can take, and you can do a drawing here, right? And if you want to close this, just click on it, the tool will get hidden. Okay, now if you want to buy some stocks here from the I am just opening ICICI Bank, right? Okay, if you want to buy a stocks, you can buy after clicking on the ICICI icon, and you can see bottom buy and sell, right? And what is the detail, all open, close, high, low, all this thing, it will show up here. If you want to see option chain, those who do technical analysis, normally they see the option chain where highest OI buildup is happening. Those things they will see. Okay, so option chain is here, market depth is here, fundamental analysis is there, what is the fundamental condition of the stock, and financial, how is the financial background of the stocks, year on year, quarter on quarter, how the financial performance is given on the stocks, and shareholding pattern, what is the shareholding pattern, how promoters is holding, FIA, how much they are holding, mutual fund, how much they are holding, others is retail traders, all those people, how much they are holding. These things will show up here. Based on this analysis, fundamental analysis, you have to do that. Okay, after seeing this, if you feel this stock is good, then you can click on the buy button from here. No, I am not going to buy from here. I want to see the chart, how pattern breakout, any pattern breakout has given this ICICI Bank or not, I want to see. Then just click on this blue box, click on this, the chart will get open. Then you can do your own analysis. Okay, whatever time frame you want, you do your own analysis. If you see any chart pattern breakout, If you want to buy or sell on that base, you can just stop. You can see buy and sell button. Just click on the buy or sell button, and you can see here intraday, pay later, delivery, limit order, market order. All this, hope you everyone knows that I don't want to explain all these things. Okay, and after this you can just directly click on the buy button. It will get executed. This is how you can buy or sell in this. This is the feature where Astha has added the new feature of trading view chart only. That is the main highlight in this video, right? So anybody want to open your account in Angel, link is given below. Those who open the account through that link, you can share. After opening, you can share your number. You can share your number so that I can add in my Telegram. So it will be easier to share the calls, investing plans, financial advisor, advising, whatever you need, you can call me. And even that Algo is the main key highlight, Algo trading. Once coding is done, so I have a lot of strategy with me, where a profitable strategy, those strategy I'll make a coding without tension. We can keep trading on it. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow I'm going to share one video on how to take a sell trade with low margin. Stay tuned this channel. Thank you for watching this video.